Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. This scrapbook is so much fun. My daughter and I just love crafts, so this was definitely a great purchase for us to spend some time together doing what we love. I just lay out all the scrapbook supplies and we just go to town. She has her own book, so she is super excited about that. She can really take it in whatever creative direction she wants, whether she puts stickers on there. She can put cardstock on there, cut and paste. The possibilities are really endless. And it's her book. Some pages stick out. Some pages don't have a lot of stickers. Some do have a lot. If you are looking for a scrapbook for your child, or if you are new to scrapbooking and you're looking for a starter scrapbook, I would highly recommend this product. My kid loves it. It really helps us to really spend time together and bond. It really helps her creativity. So it's really a great bonding experience, but also it helps with her education as well, her creativity and artistic ability. So I'm really going to make sure that she keeps doing this. And we're just going to keep doing it together. And that's my point of view.